Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 30th, 2019, and I'm going to be planting some of the onion seedlings that I did out. Now, I hardened these off in the greenhouse before they were planted out, and if you haven't hardened your plants off yet, I will have a link down in the description for how to harden your seedlings off before they go outside. So this is one of the raised beds that we have, and we're getting the plant food mixed around in it. We're using a 10-10-10 plant food, and just getting it all mixed up here. And when this is done, come back and we'll show you how to plant the onion seedlings. And the reason why we're going about a fist apart is to make sure that the onions have enough room to grow as they're growing. And we're going to be putting the Walla Wallas in here, some of them, and the rest of them are in the greenhouse waiting to be planted. These are some of the Walla Walla onion seedlings that I grew from seed, and I have entire instructions on my YouTube channel for how I started them and how I trimmed them and the benefits of trimming them and how to feed them on there, so you can check those out. And I did these in flats, so I'm going to start dividing these out to start planting them. You can see the root systems on these, really nice root systems on the onions. And you can see the onion bulbs here. And there's a big difference between when the onions are trimmed, when the onion tops are trimmed, and when they're not. So I'm just going to kneel down here, and I'm going to start separating these here out. Here, go. And I'm just going to start planting these in the soil here. I'm putting the roots down in, and I am leaving the onion bulb exposed. I'm covering it just a little bit, but the majority of it stays exposed. Okay. And I'm going about a fist apart on these so they have room to grow and expand. Part here. Work the roots apart. Yeah. And if you're planting onion sets this year, I did do a video on how to plant those. That's on my channel, so you can check that out too. I have a link down in the description for that. Go. And I'm just firming the soil around these here. Go. A little over a fist apart. See the onion roots there. I'm trying to put the roots down so that they go down. Go. So we're going to finish getting these planted here. And when it's all done, I will come back and I will show you what it looks like. So we'll be back. So I got all the onions planted in here. I was short on 3 of them, so I'll just have to get those out of the greenhouse and finish planting that up. Now go ahead and give this a nice watering after you're done planting them. We had rain, so I didn't have to water them. And you can see here what they look like. Now some of these, to keep the plants standing, I did pack the soil around the bulbs a little bit, and I'll pull that away as the onions start growing so that they can grow properly. Now when you're selecting a site for your onion seedlings or your onion bulbs, what you want to do, or your onion sets, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your soil is nice and well drained. You don't want them sitting in water, you don't want soggy soil, and you don't want really hard clay soil. You want nice, loose soil, and we achieved that with the raised bed. So, and also you want to put them in sun. You want to put them in full sun, and it's a little cloudy today, overcast. They're calling for more rain for us. So, as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos and show them to you. Now, I do plan on continuing to trim the onion seedlings here as they continue to grow, because I've noticed a big difference with the onion bulbs on when I started trimming them and when I didn't trim them. So I will show you the onion sets that we planted over here real quick. So these are some of the onion sets that we planted. You can see here they're coming up. You want to keep your onions weed free as much as possible, because the weeds will compete with the onions, or they can like smother them out or take their food away from them. So we have some weeds we do have to get out of here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!